demonetization and drive against black money. Our government is committed to eliminating the ills of black money from our country. The anti-black money measures taken by us during the last 4.5 years in the form of black money law, the Fugitive Criminal Offenders Act and demonetization have brought undisclosed income of about 1,30,000 crore to tax, led to seizure and attachment of assets worth approximately 50,000 crores and compelled holders of large cash currency to disclose their source of earnings. During this period, Benami assets worth rupees 6,900 crore and foreign assets worth rupees 1,600 crore have also been attached. As many as 3,38,000 shell companies have been detected and deregistered and their directors disqualified. Growth of 18% in direct tax collection in 2017-18 and increase in tax base by as many as 1 crore 6 lakh people filing income tax returns for the first time in the financial year 17-18. 1 करोड़ से अधिक लोगों ने डिमोनेटाइजेशन के बाद पहली बार इनकम टैक्स रिटर्न भरा. विजन फॉर द नेक्स्ट डिकेड. ये सरकार माननीय प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी के कुशल नेतृत्व में बहुत ही तेज गति से प्रगति कर रही है और समाज के हर वर्ग तक विकास पहुंचे इसके लिए प्रतिबद्ध है. अब आने वाले 10 वर्ष का मैं थोड़ा आपके समक्ष रखना चाहूंगा. मैडम स्पीकर, द एनडीए गवर्नमेंट headed by Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi has laid the foundation for India's growth and development for times to come. माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी ने एक बार जिक्र किया था, शायद रामलीला की याद फिर एक बार सबको आ रही है. We have resolved many problems which were coming in the way of realizing our full potential as a society and an economy. We are poised to become a $5 trillion economy in the next 5 years and we aspire to become a $10 trillion economy in the next 8 years thereafter. In the Indian ethos, anything which is good is supposed to bestow, cause, create and do good in all 10 directions. कुछ अच्छा काम करो तो चारों दिशाओं में वो फैलना चाहिए और उसका लाभ चारों दिशा तक पहुंचना चाहिए. I will therefore lay out our vision for the 10 most important dimensions जो हमें 2030 तक इस देश को और हमारी सरकार को प्रेरणा देगा. The first dimension of this vision will be to build infrastructure, physical as well as social, for a $10 trillion economy and to provide ease of living, not only ease of business, ease of living. It will comprise next generation infrastructure for roads, railways, seaports, airports, urban transport, gas and electric transmission and inland waterways. On the social infrastructure side, every family will have a roof on its head and we will live in a healthy, clean and wholesome environment.